in a boho style, a daring choker with spikes, a brick on a chain, and a decorative collar? In this video, we share stunning ideas for designer jewelry made from improvised materials. And for starters, you will need earring fixtures and clamps, and a piece of black lace braid will serve as the main material. Cut out the desired pattern. For one earring, you need 2 lacy pieces. Attach the clamp. Unbend the ring of the fixture and attach it to the clamp. Connect the lace using transparent glue. The airy openwork earrings look beautiful. Be creative and experiment with colors and lace patterns. Simple, but very impressive. For this life hack, you will need artificial eyes for toys. They can be bought in a craft store. Cut a loop fastener. Warm up a piece of polymer clay in your hands. Press the plastic eye into it. Cover the clay on all sides. Make folds with scissors. Attach a pin on the back. Place it in boiling water for 3 minutes. The eye-covered earrings are ready. Keep your eyes open, even the ones on your ears. Now, you need a metal hoop, twine, and seashells. Wind the hoop with the rope, securing it with hot glue for strength. Secure the edge. Tie the pieces of twine at equal distances from each other. Put the rope through the hoop and stretch it through the formed loop. Do not pull too much. Pass the end of the rope through the ring next to it. You should have a weaving from free rings. Use a hot glue gun to attach the largest seashell to the center. Surround it with smaller shells. The smallest specimens are attached around the edges. Decorate the hoop with a golden rope. Glue the pearls. The end result is a crown for the most beautiful mermaid in your city. Marine style is trendy again. Now, prepare a wire base. To decorate it, we will be using white seashells. Squeeze hot glue into the shell. Attach it to the edge of the wire. Secure it with hot glue. The same is done with the second end of the wire. Twist the bracelet around your hand. A bracelet with seashells? It's so summery! For the next life hack, you will need shaped erasers for pencils. We choose erasers in the form of seahorses. Select earring fixtures. Make an incision. Insert the fixture into the eraser and fasten it with hot glue. The earrings turned out very bright and exciting. And with a built-in erasing function. And in this life hack, we will use a piece of thin black leather. Draw a multi-stage figure like this on the leather. Cut it out. Unfold the piece of leather into a thin fringe. Glue metal studs with a hot glue gun. Fasten the clasp. You've got a stylish choker with studs. It looks very bold and original. Next, you need metal bases for rings and gel polishes. Cover the base with a dark gel polish. Dry it with an ultraviolet lamp. Decorate with lilac dots in a circle. Draw lines toward the center with a fine brush. Put it under the lamp. Decorate the middle with a drop of sparkling gel polish. Apply a layer of transparent finish. Decorate with small rhinestones. Delicate lilac flowers are the result. They match perfectly with the nail design. Let's share another idea with gel nail polish. Draw an oval with a transparent gel polish. Attach small dry flowers to it. Dry the layer under an ultraviolet lamp. Decorate with small rhinestones. Hook the ring and cover with another layer of gel polish. Remove the pendant from the base. Attach a ribbon. It turned out to be a very delicate floral product in a Provence-inspired style. We'll tell you how to give a new life to a plastic bottle. Cut the bottle into pieces. Cover the bottom of an iron with baking paper. Apply the pieces of plastic to the iron. The edges melt and are not sharp anymore. Now you need an awl and ringlets. Use the heated awl to pierce holes. Connect the pieces of plastic together. You get an interesting necklace made of plastic. It looks very elegant. And now we take wings cut out of paper and the neck of a plastic bottle. Trace the wings on the plastic. Cut them out. Draw the internal outlines of feathers and make cuts. Cover the wings with spray paint. Take a cut base for a ring and attach the wings to the two ends using hot glue. It turned out to be a beautiful ring. Your fingers almost want to fly. Did an old bracelet break? Don't rush to throw it away. We have a great idea. Disconnect the rings. Attach the ringlets to bracelet parts. Hook an earring fixture. You get massive asymmetrical earrings. Stylish and very unusual. To implement this idea, you need a chain, a glass jar, dried flowers, and a bunch of artificial flowers. Pour decorative sand in the jar. Using tweezers, insert a twig and a dried flower. Close the lid with a ring. Attach a chain. It turned out to be a tender, spiritual DIY amulet. That's what love looks like. In this life hack, we will use red and black polymer clay. Mix the colors in one piece. Knead the clay into a pancake. Cut out a square with a knife. Draw parallel lines with the sharp tip of a pencil. Draw bricks. Make a few scratches. Punch out a hole. Throw it in boiling water for 3 minutes to make the clay harden. Add more scratches with black paint and fasten a chain. A pendant in the form of a brick wall. This is something new. It looks very unusual. For this stylish idea, you will need a piece of a mint-colored foam rubber sheet. Cut out such a figure. Attach artificial leaves and small multicolored roses using hot glue. Decorate with pearl beads. Choose a ribbon of a matching color. Hot glue it to the foam rubber sheet. A removable decorative collar will turn any boring shirt into a bright, festive blouse. For this earring idea, you will need a spool of thread, hoop earrings, and beads. Wind the thread on your fingers. Cut off the thread and cut the thread ring. Attach the thread onto the ring. Fasten some thread brushes. It turns out to be soft fringe. Decorate with beads. The silk thread earrings look very nice. Use different colors of threads and get new stylish looks. And now we'll tell you what can be done from a thin black fishing line. Take some segments, collect them in a bundle, and secure them at the end with a knot. Divide them into 3 parts and weave a simple braid. Put some hot glue on the edge. Cut off the excess. All that's left is securing the fittings. Clamp the tip with round pliers. Put the bracelet on your arm. A bracelet made of a black fishing line. That is necessary for lovers of minimalism in jewelry. Did you like our jewelry life hacks? Write in the comments what idea you would like to try out. Put a like on this video and subscribe to Troom Select. And be sure to click on the bell to see even more useful and funny videos.